Aruti wira gikiro-ini kia manathi thibitari-ini wa Nakuru PGH nimatabanĩtie mururungano kuumana na kwaga kweruhirio kandarathi ciao na hamwe na kwaga kwamũkĩra marĩhi ma njoherera ona thengia wa gũkorwo makiruta wira thibitari-ini uyu kwa ihinda rĩa makiria ma miaka 5. Aruti wira aya maugite undu uyu ni igutha inene kurio na makiria ihinda-ini riri kuri na moritũ maingĩ ma ngarama ya muturire.
We've just received a letter 2 weeks ago that is dated 31st March that is saying that all our contracts have been terminated. We have followed with the right officers. We have gone to the Director of Health Services. He has said he doesn't know us. No feedback is being communicated. No advertisements have been advertised.
Aikari kaunti-ini no maugite thibitari uyu ni ugumirwo ni mathina kiheri kuona gutire na itanda cia kuigana cia gukomwo ni arwaru, wagi wa mai oro hamwe na giko kiria kiraiga miturire ya arwaru hatika-ini.
Hospitali ni kubwa, wagonjwa ndio hao washughulikiwi, maji hakuna, unanunua dawa. Hiyo dawa unanunua mgonjwa unashindwa atameza na mate ama atafanya nini.
Ona gutuika aruti wira aya maugite marutite wira ihinda-ini rĩa miaka 5 marua kuma ruhonge-ini rwa ũgima wa mwĩrĩ kaunti-ini ĩno monanitie manathi aya makoretwo rungu rwa kandarathi ya mieri 3.
We've worked in this hospital during the COVID-19. We've worked in this hospital during the strike. We have not received any allowances.
What mood are they setting for us as young generation? Many people have lost jobs in this Kenya and are continuing to lose their jobs.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wambui wa Njũgũna.